I was going back and forth between degrees and wasn't really sure what direction I wanted to go. And then my daughter came along, and as a single mother, you know, no job at the time, you're trying to figure out, what am I going to do? How am I going to provide for my family? I actually started with Coastal Alabama with my business degree. You go to school for a business degree, you picked your desk work, but I'm very thankful that I chose this path because I worked one business type job for a year while I was in school. It got to be very boring, more or less. I started out with BASF with a contractor. After being in packaging for 3 or 4 months, they moved me to non-saleable. So I was really using my degree in that aspect because I was having to work on the computer systems that we have here to send out product and order in product and keep the non-saleable product separate from everything else. So that's probably the most I've used my business degree, but it also opened up a door to where when I put in for the operator position, they saw that, you know, she learns quick, she picks up on stuff easy, so why not give her a chance? We have an HMI system for our machine that controls our feed rate and what feeders are running, what feeders are not running, seconds when they cut off, and we have a touchscreen HMI computer and a regular computer that controls our heats and everything for our machine. So just knowing how to navigate around a computer from what I've learned at Coastal Alabama was very helpful with that. I honestly never pictured myself in an industry like this. You don't have to think, oh, just because I'm a woman, I can't handle this, because that was my first thought coming in here. I was like, I'm never gonna be able to do the stuff that these guys do, because typically in most everyone's mindset, a manufacturing company is a man's world, but it doesn't have to be that way. There is a role for everybody.